Hello viewers, welcome to the second tutorial of Angular Material, that is the installation of Angular Material and learning a small module to visualize the real advantage of Angular Material. To learn all this, let's now dive into the actual website of Angular Material, which has been provided by Google. Yeah, this is the actual website of Angular Material where we can have a greater glance of components, component development kits, guides, and all the versions present available in the modern era. Basically, now we are dealing of Angular version 9.2.1. So please check the version that you are using is been upgraded to the modern version. Basically, now let's add the Angular material to our project and let's visualize the feel that it gives us. Open project, open command prompt, open command prompt, and type a command ng add at the red Angular material. So this is a command to set up our Angular material project. So we can see that packages are being installing by npm, which is node package manager. Yeah, as we can see that when we add an ng command, yes, like we can see ng add command will install all the Angular material CDK and Angular animations. Now we can choose a pre-built custom theme for our web application. Basically, I am choosing a custom theme. If you want to set up some of the Angular Metal typography styles, you can select yes. And it is importing browser animations module into your applications enables Angular animation system. Yeah, as we can see that packages are being installed successfully, and some of the updates have been uh, modified, like in app.module.ts, angular.json, index.html, and styles.css. Now let's see what are the changes that have taken place in the new version of Angular. Basically, a Roboto font has been added to our index.html, and styles.css, a new some of the styles has been reset, like Roboto, which includes with Roboto font. And let's now check into the package.json. Like Angular material is version of 9.2.2 has been added to our project. Now let's work with a simple Angular material module. let's let's get into material.angular.io. Guides, getting started. And let's add to the app.module.ts, and the same is to be added into the import section of our project. Now let's get into app.component.html. Now move let's remove all the HTML elements that have been present here. Let's define router outlet. use the Angular material slider. Now let's view how it looks in our web browser. As we can see, we have the slider model which can have a set of values on steps